Hi, I'm Dr. Evan Phua, the owner and dentist at Cana Dental Surgery. We provide general dentistry as well as dental sleep medicine. Dental sleep medicine is an area of dental practice that focuses the use of oral appliance therapy to treat sleep disordered breathing, mainly snoring and obstructive sleep apnea. Oral appliances are also known as mandibular advancement spleen. What it does, it actually helps to move your lower jaw forward, and as your lower jaw is being pushed forward, your tongue is also being pushed forward. As your tongue is being pushed forward, your airway is opened up and allows smooth and comfortable breathing as you sleep.